Hello, it's Underdrummer here, back again with another helpful how-to video. This is just going to be a quick tutorial on how to get images onto a thumb drive or flash drive into your PlayStation 4 so that you can change the background of your home screen or do whatever else you want with them. If you're not sure how to play media from a thumb drive on your PlayStation 4, you can watch my video I put out a couple years ago. I'll put the link in the description, of course. One thing that has changed, or I was not aware of back then when I made this video, on the PlayStation 4, I said photo, include photo, which works. But for whatever reason, when you go to apply a background to your home screen on the PlayStation 4, it asks for a folder called images. So if you don't have a folder called images on your thumb drive, go ahead and create one and then put your backgrounds or your wallpapers or whatever in there. So I attempted this today, and when I got them onto the thumb drive and then put it in my PlayStation and went to change the background through themes, there were certain pictures that wouldn't show up. That Dragon Knight wallpaper won't show up. Wallpaper Moon Space won't show up. And there's Singapore desktop wallpaper won't show up. So any of the 1920 by 1080 standard dimension, those would work. Or anything under that. Anything lower than 1920 by 1080. But anything over, even slightly over, like 1920 by 1200, the PlayStation wouldn't recognize as an image. So I went and downloaded FastStone Photo Resizer. It's free. I'll put the address in the description here where you can go get it. Bring up that FastStone Photo Resizer. Add all the images here. Just here, you can change the address here, so just change it to new folder on your desktop. And then add all these by clicking Add All. And then come down to Advanced Options. Make sure Resize is clicked. It's the first tab. You want to preserve the aspect ratio and pick a standard size. Pick your 1920 by 1080. I click this as well. Do not resize if the image is already smaller than requested size. So that's your advanced options, and then in settings, make sure this bar is cranked all the way over to quality. You want it on 10. Not 100% sure what this does, but I checked that. And then the rest of the stuff doesn't really matter as far as I know. So then hit convert. Here's the original images. You can see dimension of this Singapore desktop is 4500 by 2460. And here it is in the resized image folder, Singapore desktop wallpaper 1920 by 1050. So it kept its aspect ratio, which is why it's not exactly 1080, but it is under 1920 by 1080 where it needs to be for the PlayStation to read it. So then we copy all these newly resized images onto our flash drive, and the PlayStation should read them all. Okay, I've got my thumb drive plugged in there to the PlayStation 4. If you're not sure how to change the background theme, just go to Settings, Theme, Custom, select Image from USB storage, and you can see they all show up. The Dragon Knight wallpaper is there, the Wallpaper Moon Space is there, and the Singapore desktop wallpaper is there. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.